Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. In today's video, we're doing a little bit of cleaning and a little bit of undecorating. Today's video is also in collaboration with my friend Liz. She is here on YouTube as Life with Liz, and she makes all sorts of videos on cleaning and organization, but she's also a new mama and a wife, so she makes all sorts of videos based on that, and she has some really great content on her channel. She's also on Instagram as Life with Liz David, so you should definitely check it out. I will have all of that linked down in the description box below. But definitely when you're done watching this video, head over to her channel and let her know that I sent you. It would mean the world to me, and I'm sure she would love to know that you came from my channel. But anyways, in this video, we're gonna go a little bit back and forth as far as the voiceover and some music goes, but I hope this video brings you all sorts of cleaning motivation as we are getting done with Christmas and getting into the new year and the long weekend coming. So I really hope that you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And with that being said, I'm gonna leave you alone for just a moment, but I will be back, I promise. So my plan for undecorating is just kind of as I'm going along cleaning, I'm gathering up the Christmas decor, and I'm just gonna put it here on the dining table for now. And then at the end of this, we'll put it all back in its totes, and I'll have Bo take it back upstairs because once those totes are full, they're pretty heavy. So Bo always takes them upstairs for me, and that's just kind of my game plan as we're going today. So definitely if you kind of struggle with the undecorating and the cleaning at the same time, that is what I recommend. But to each their own, do whatever you wanna do because cleaning is not usually very fun. So do what you gotta do to get through, right? here or you came from Liz's channel, I just wanted to say hi and introduce myself. My name is Jessica. I make a lot of videos on lifestyle and home and fashion, but I also love a good clean with me video. I try to do them at least once every season just because I really enjoy making them and I feel like you guys really enjoy watching them. But anyways, I want to tell you a little bit about me and my story. So my house was actually inherited to my boyfriend and I from his grandparents. His grandfather actually built the house and it is made almost entirely out of brick. The exterior is brick, and then we have two big fireplaces that are also brick, and it was all hand done by his grandfather, and we are so grateful and so thankful to be able to live in this house and carry out their dream of finishing the house. Although it was Beau's grandfather who started it, he did not finish it before he passed away, unfortunately. So it's been such an amazing blessing to be able to finish the house for them. We have been in this house for about 3 years now, and honest to God, most of that time has been cleaning it out and fixing like major repairs. But now we are officially at the stage where we can start like buying cabinets and counters, and we were looking at front doors last night, and so I've gotten really excited, and that is something that I've been wanting to share more of on my YouTube channel. I have one video now, but I hope to have a lot more in the future of all of our renovation stuff. We are not by any means like professionals at renovating houses. We don't really have any experience with this, but we have a blast and we do it all ourselves, and we don't hire it out. We literally are just on a budget and we do it ourselves, and I try to document it because I feel like every single project has its flaws and it's like funny moments and it's kind of what the heck moments, and so it's been really fun to document it and share it with you guys, and I hope to share more of it in 2021. But anyways, I just wanted to say hi and thank you for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe and stick around for a while. So since this video is going live on New Year's Eve, I thought it was only fitting to talk a little bit about resolutions and goals for the new year. So for me, my main goal, so to speak, is being able to work at home for myself full-time. So right now I am working a full-time job, but I am working from home in that sense because of the pandemic. But I would really like to at least get closer to my ultimate goal of being able to quit that job. And yes, I just said the Q word. forward. I would like to be able to work for myself full-time with the combination of social media and some other side businesses that I have, and my boyfriend owns his own construction company. So ultimately, I would love to be in a place where I can work for myself full-time. But if that doesn't happen in 2021, I am okay with that. I would like to just get a little bit closer to that becoming a reality. But I also remind myself all the time that we are in the middle of a global pandemic right now, and life is not what it used to be. So I'm just kind of being nice to myself in that sense of setting goals and being optimistic, but at the same time, not being hard on myself to achieve those goals in a certain time span. So with that being said, I would love to know what your guys' resolutions are, or your goals, or just something you want to accomplish in 2021. Just all positive vibes and not being hard on ourselves or each other. I just want to know kind of what you are looking forward to in 2021 and what you'd like to accomplish. All right, you guys, that is it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And definitely don't forget to check out Liz's channel here on YouTube, Life with Liz. Again, I will have all of the information linked in the description box below. But thank you so much, Liz, for collaborating with me. I had such a fun time. It was so fun getting to know you and doing a video together. So anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful New Year's Eve and an awesome New Year's Day. I will catch you again next Monday with my normal uploading schedule, Monday and Thursday at 9 a.m. But don't forget to hit that bell in case I sneak in a sneaky third video in 1 week, which may or may not be coming next week. Hint, hint. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve again. I'm wishing you nothing but the best in 2021. I hope it brings all you deserve and more. And with all that being said, I will see you next time.